Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in my NIV Journal of the Word Bible, and I'm in the book of Psalms chapter 51 verse 10, where it says, "Create in me a pure heart, O God, and renew a steadfast spirit within me." So I wanted to do another heart love sort of entry for the month of February. If you would like to see my first two February journal entries, I will put the links for those down below. I gathered some of my supplies here. I have this American Crafts Bible Journaling washi tape, and it has some really cute heart washi, so I may use that. I have my Create 365 Faith Pad, and there is a sticker in here that I want to use, a couple stickers. This has a little the actual verse here that says, "Create a pure heart in me, O Lord." And then this one down here that is a heart that says, "Create in me a pure heart." So I want to use that somewhere on the page. And then I want to mask off a heart using some of my fat washi tape, and then do some credit card swiping of acrylic paints. So I have these random paints here. They're Craft Smart and Apple Barrel and Folk Art. But I have like a peachy orange, a red, and two different pinks. So I'm going to mask off a heart and do the swiping inside that. So I just have like a defined heart in it, but it is the swiping technique there. And then the rest of the page I will use the washi tape and those stickers on it. So why don't we get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. here's how my final entry turned out. I think it turned out great. As you could tell, I was struggling a little bit with the washi tape. I couldn't decide how I wanted to lay it out, and then I had gotten a little bit of paint up there, so I wanted to cover that up. I had that little phrase sticker that I was going to use, but decided that it didn't really match the color, so I took that away. But I did have this here, and then I used washi tape to mask off the verse there. So for the most part, I can see all the text underneath the paint. But I definitely wanted to highlight that verse there, so I masked that off. And if you wonder why I cover up, or I allow myself to cover up some of the text in this Bible, it is my journaling Bible, my art journaling Bible, and so that is what it's made for. It's for journaling, and so this is the Bible that I do all my art journaling in. I do have another Bible that I actually do my reading and that, that I study and everything. But this Bible is what I purchased, or actually I received this Bible as a Christmas gift, so I didn't even purchase this, but it is specifically for my Bible journaling, just in case there was any question about that. So anyways, I think it turned out really pretty, and I always love doing the credit card technique. I don't do it very often, but I love how the colors kind of blended together in there. So I hope you liked it too, and hopefully it gives you some inspiration for your next journal entry. So if you like this entry, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.